we're assembling the volleyball candy dome. I probably should have filled my glue bottle before I started. Refilled it, I should say. So I have 2 pieces for the base. Oops. That did not go together quite like I wanted. There we are. So this is our fire. And I have now I did try cutting this like in a lighter color for the volleyball. I just don't think I like that, because I was a little bit concerned that maybe this looks too close to the soccer, but I think you can tell that it's a volleyball. So I decided to stick with the original cut. Now if you have a fine tip glue bottle, that is what you'll want to use, because you do want to get all of these pieces stuck down. Okay. There we go. Okay, now for my candy domes, I use mini cupcake holders that I found on Amazon. I'm just going to take a second and start to stretch my paper around the base of my dome. So this hole is cut to go right around your dome. You can see here you've got about a 1/4 inch space there. So that's the hardest part about this, is that you have to stretch the paper to fit around the dome. And I do that just by making sure I put the glue on heavy enough to, one, moisten the paper so that it's more pliable, and the second part of that is so that I have enough time to get it to stick. So we're just going to put this right on here, start on an edge that I can line up. And I just try to hold it all the way around all the edges, so that, because I am using a quick dry glue, I would not want to try to do this with a glue that was not quick dry. You'd be holding that down forever. And I'm just working around, using my finger to make this paper pliable around the base. I'm just going to give a quick check around my edges, and they are all stuck down good. So there it is. This is the volleyball candy dome file. You just turn it over, pop it open, close it back. Now again, you can find these candy, they're called mini cupcake holders. You can find these on Amazon. I got these 50 for $10. I even got mine next day. The only thing I would caution you against is using the ones that have a clear base. This base is silver. You really can't tell, but it is silver. The clear ones, I bought those, and the clear ones are very thin, and I could not hold the dome with the candy in it. It would just fall right off. But that's pretty secure. So that is the Volleyball candy dome. Thank you for joining me.